The ghetto Othello, the Moor. Oh my God, they speak venomous on the board. Oh my Lord, fear is the enemy, and I'm sure. Oh my God, they want the death of me cause I'm pure. Oh my Lord. Now who said that? Do you know? You? I'm gonna check out this view right there. You think about it. We're gonna come right back. I give you one hint though. Queensbridge. Hey, hey.
Queensbridge, we got one! We got another 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 one!
The ghetto Othello, the Moor. Oh my God, they speak venomous on the boy. Oh my Lord, my enemy is fear and I'm sure. Oh my God, they want the end of me cause I'm pure. Oh my Lord, discipline for the win. I just go for it. It's a trend for these men to die on their own sword. Journey.
Rewind.
The ghetto Othello, the Moor. Oh my God, they speak venomous on the boy. Oh my Lord, my enemy is fear and I'm sure. Oh my God, they want the end of me cause I'm pure. Oh my Lord, discipline for the win. I just go for it. It's a trend for these men to die on their own sword. Journey far, learn who you can be, but you can learn who you are when you around family.
Yeah, before we even get to the teaching, we got to address the naysayers, the ones that's been throwing shade at the Moors for so long. The ones I know they probably mad right now, like, I cannot believe Nas didn't name drop the Moors. Not once, but 2 times. Oh my God. And I know it's gonna be some of them that's gonna, them old nitpicking old, oh well, he didn't say that he was down with no withdrawal lead. The old, his name is still Nasir Jones. It's not a Bay or an L. He's not with a temple, and it don't really matter. Man, you old nitpicking. Go somewhere with that. Stop hating and accept the truth of the matter, baby. We are not black. Word to Kendrick. We are Moors. Word to Nasir. The ghetto Othello. Who was Othello? Look it up. Othello. Just Google that. Pause this right here. Boop. Look that up. Now, let's continue. My name is Rami Salaam, by the way. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing fantastic. I'm chilling in the little park, my little park situation. Nasir Jones, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it. Adam and Eve is the track. Well, first off, he come right out the gate with it, with the song with Puff. I forget the name of it. But second verse, just listen, baby. But Adam and Eve is where it's at. It's definitive. Now, why is this important? Why am I making this video? I mean, it's a rap song. It's a hip hop song. You know, Nas is just a MC. He's just a rapper, right? Well, what's so important about that? Well, let's think about it. Nas just had his album produced by Kanye West. One of the biggest, most influential artists of our time, especially right now. And on that album that Kanye produced for Nas, Nas name dropped the Moors 2 times. You don't think Kanye heard that? Think it's a coincidence that all the albums have 7 tracks? Shout out to Pusha T. Shout out to Kids See Ghost. You don't think that's a coincidence? Oh, okay. What about the Circle 7 on the back of Nasir's merchandise? What are you talking about, Rami? I didn't see... wait, one moment. Boop. Yeah, that's right. The Circle 7 on Nasir's merchandise. Yeah, the same Circle 7 in Noble Drew Ali. Yeah, that one. That part. And see, this the bigger picture. Because, I know it's easy to think it's just about music, but it's way bigger than that. Symbols and signs are going out all over the world right now. Yeah. Yeah, and the real thing, the bigger picture, it's been happening for a minute. Think back to Pablo album. Who did Kanye shout out on Real Friends? Yasin Bey. Who did Kanye allow to use his website when he was getting into legal trouble and the media was trying to crucify and slander Yasin and all over the world passport situation in South Africa? Yeah. Kanye let him use his website, get a whole message out. Real one. Jay-Z been dropping jewels. Magna Carta. Magna Carta Holy Grail. Heaven, the track called Heaven. Go listen to that. Jay Electronica. Go listen to Jay Electronica. I mean, you know, the signs are there, man. The time is now. The time is now, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? And if you are doubting, if you're still trying to act like we are not Moors, if you still think this is some sort of made up conspiracy, religion, clubism thing, then you were just lying to yourself. You were just unwilling to accept the truth. It's called cognitive dissonance, I believe is the term that's used. Cognitive dissonance. D-I-S-S-O-N, dissonance. D-I-S-S-O-N-A-N-C-E. I believe that's how you spell it. But cognitive, C-O-G-N-I, cognitive, N-I-T-I-V-E, cognitive dissonance. Check that out. Because that's what our people have, man. Or they just straight lying and they trying to mislead and deceive you and keep you oppressed and keep you enslaved in the mind. Because in these days and times, the enslavement of your mind is a choice. You're choosing to remain ignorant. Or you can know yourself and free yourself. Choice is yours. Me personally, I'm about to get back to Nasir. Amazing album. Yeah, I mean, that's all I really wanted to say today. I just want to put it on the record. Make sure you know. Yeah, you right there. It's almost that time. And see, the last thing, because some point, sooner or later, there's gonna be a conversation about Moors and hip hop. And at that time, somebody gonna have to holler at Rami. Oh, it gonna be some trouble there. Oh yeah. But until then, keep shining, keep being about love, keep uplifting, keep standing on the principles. Love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice, because that is the way. The first principle being love, mind you. Alright. Much love. Kissy Ghost, Daytona, Ye, Nasir, and Tiana's album, and Sahai's album, and Big Sean's album. Support good music, because they are, hey, you feel me? 7's up. 1 up. It made in Morocco too, if you ain't checked that out. Clip Solo. Hey.
Yeah, he from the west where the east flexing. He not the best, but he get busy. Used to be shy, now we get glizzy. He a Moorish face, he at the he be repping. Took a lot of L's, made him lessons. Struggle every day, showing love to Nadeskas. Don't you know you're great? Shorty, why you stressing? God steady budding with the blessings. All you gotta do is peep and see. I'm sorta like the best kept secret. I'm a vegetarian, can't do the vegan yet. And fuck popping Percocets and fuck my student.
Bonus round. And since we was talking about slavery, I want to show you another brother that was dropping some jewels about slavery. And I think you might know him. He's kind of familiar. I'll let you check it out. Love.
I mean, if blacks are going to listen and look up to people and go, hey, what about slavery? Listen to me. First of all, if you want to know about it, first of all, go to the Arab slave trade first. Go to that and go to the white slave trade, the European slave trade. Because slave comes from the word Slav, which the Eastern Europeans were sold actually to Muslim Africans. And that concept of slavery, of slavery, moved into Spain, moved into early Spain, which then the Moors settled there and brought culture into Europe in 1492. Coincidentally, the Moors were pushed out, and that's when they started coming down the west coast of Africa because the concept of slavery was there, but it wasn't chattel slavery. It's a different type of slavery.
Yeah.
Slavery, but
yeah.
it started going down. But they wouldn't have known that stuff was there because the Africans brought them nautical knowledge. They brought them nautical systems.